I have the vacuum suction magnet car mount for your phone. This is the K series, okay? It comes with a charging cable. It comes with some cleaner, and if your phone is not magnetic already, it actually has this piece is like a sticker that makes your phone magnetic, which is pretty neat. It comes with instructions. So I'll sort of show you the way mine is right here. So the mount, you basically put it on, you have to put it somewhere flat, and you can put this anywhere in your car. And you basically, once you put it on, you tighten it down with this knob, right? So you see that knob spins, and that kind of locks it in place. And I'll unplug it here so you can see, do plug it in here. I'll pull that out to USB-C. And this fully articulates, right? So very, very, very adjustable. It's got a carbon fiber finish on the side. But yeah, you can basically put this anywhere. You could put it on your window and have it hanging down, have the phone in front of you. I could have put it up here and had it, hanging down this way. I put it over here because I figured this would sort of keep it out of the way. And kind of stealth, which I kind of like, right? So if you see that right there, you kind of can see the way it goes. The magnet is very strong, okay? So if I put the phone on there, it's not gonna fall off. And yeah, it's just, it lights up too when it's charging. This LED right here lights up. Maybe I'll show that to you. Plug this in. And I have to turn the car on, actually, for that. I don't have the keys. But yeah, you gotta just believe me. This lights up. Yeah, don't know what I do with my keys. But this lights up here. And like I said, it's very adjustable. So the really nice thing about this is that it's just fully adjustable. I mean, it's got like a million different mounts. And look at that. I mean, you can, if I wanted to, I can have my phone like sticking out like that. And then you could tighten this down. And it could be like that. So very, very, very adjustable. This locks it down. So if it's moving around too much, you could, lock it down with this lock ring here. All right. So yeah, this is the phone mount, magnetic, and it sits on there, not coming off. Very, very strong connection. And the nice thing is you're not drilling or anything. It's not permanent. So you can just pull this off very easily and it's not going to damage your car. So see that it's clean. This is basically kind of like a sticker, but as you rotate it, it tightens up. Let me show you. It gets tighter. Yeah, basically pulls it in and adds more suction. So that is the K series vacuum suction magnetic bracket. You can see actually the color in there. Really neat.